Uzoto was famous. Yeah. Real life, Monada way boy. Oh.
Yeah. We just dropped it to the car. And then we just checked. We just got out. We're playing a nice track. Guy, we're just playing nice music, guys. So yeah. Mpawi don't record a vandaag. Yeah, it has to be louder. Is it? Sure. Tovela. Ring lips. Okay, Pete. But that's it. Long majority. Man. Outside, get fire or something. Ichai. Hey, Tandy. Sup. Yeah. Wala. Fede. Sure. Yeah, guys, we're just here. We're just gonna prepare something very short. Biggie's gonna do his stuff. There's Biggie and his crew there. Yeah. Whatever that you're gonna see is gonna be fresh. It's gonna be new from Biggie. So he hasn't done anything for me yet. You're still gonna see it. So you know what? Sharp equipment. Kalabala Katumar.
As soon as yesterday.
Oh, never know everyone. To talk about enough
space for a bit.
Hi guys. We're just gonna get busy. I was gonna reply to every one of you. So guys, sharp. We'll check you later because it's gonna be dark and tomorrow I'm leaving. So this is the last project, probably for this year. So what I added the details, he will add his credentials and everything. Refer to platform. So guys, probably you wanna get 500,000 people what they're about to produce.
Starlight photography, y'all. Yeah. Follow on Insta.
Look way like Starlight photography, guys. But they'll add the details at the end of the video, so you guys will see it. And if you like their job, I'm the man to talk to. Alabakri. Sharp, guys. Thanks for watching.